Hello, everybody. Good morning. It's Miss Sarah. We are going to get started on our calendar, and then we're going to talk about what our activities are for the day. So first, let's look at our calendar over here. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. And down here I have the picture of an umbrella. Oh, excuse me, my friends. Tuesday, and down here I have the picture of an umbrella. What picture comes next? My pattern is rainbow, rainbow, umbrella, and it starts over after I get to umbrella. So my next picture will be a rainbow. Ding, 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 ding. You guys got it. Good job. So let me draw my rainbow. Now let's talk about the number we are going to put. The number yesterday we had is 27. 7 is 27. Can you say that with me? 27. Very good. So I need to find out what number is next. Do you know what number is next? Let me see. Can I hear you? I think I heard some right answers. One more time. Ooh, I think some of you got it. Let's count together to find out if we were right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Very good. When we write the number 28, we write the number 2, and then we write the number 8. 2 and 8 together make 28. Can you say that with me? 28. Very good, you guys. Now it's time for us to say the date. Today is Tuesday, April 28, 2020. Today is Tuesday, today is Tuesday, all day long, woo, all day long, woo. Yesterday was Monday, tomorrow will be Wednesday. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Very good, you guys. Now let's talk about our activity. Oh, Miss Sarah almost forgot we need to sing our Days of the Week song. Are you ready? 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, then Saturday. 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, days in the week. Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, then Saturday. 7 days, 7 days, 7 days. All right, guys. Now let's talk about our activities for today. Today's reading and writing activity is we're going to have your student, your child, write their name. Yesterday I wrote Ethan's name as our practice. Today I'm going to write Kelvin's name. Kelvin. So to write Kelvin's name, I do big line down, little line, little line. Next we need to write the letter E. So I do little line, little curve, little curve. Now we need to write the letter L. So big line down. Next, We have V. So we do little line diagonal down, little line diagonal up. Next we have I. So we're going to do little line down, and then we just do a little dot at the top. Our last letter in Calvin's name is N. So we do little line down, little curve. Now it's your turn to write your name. Our other activity today for literacy is to pick out a book. Have your child pick out his or her favorite story and let them read the story to you today. They don't need to read the words, but have them tell you what's going on in the story by looking at the pictures. Make sure they're taking their time pointing and talking about what's happening on the page. For math today, please play the memory flashcard game with the numbers we made last week. We really want to focus on number name. What is the name of the number? Is it 1, 2, 7, 8, 9? And also, can they match the numbers? Are they the same? Are they able to make sure that they are equal to one another? For science and social studies today, we're going to talk about the 5 senses again. Our 5 senses are hearing, seeing, smelling, tasting, and touching. So what does something feel like when we touch it? Is it hot? Is it cold? What does something taste like? Is it chewy? Or is it tough? When we smell something, does it smell like cookies? Does it smell good? Or does it smell like the garbage outside? When we see something, we see colors, we see animals, and listening. What do we hear outside? Do we hear cars? Do we hear birds chirping? Those are all of our 5 senses. For recess today, we have jumping jacks, marching in place, touching your toes, and reach for the sky. Let's do those together, my friends. So remember, when we do jumping jacks, we jump our legs out and our hands go up high. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do marching in place. When we march in place, we just lift our leg up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now you're going to take your fingers, reach them up high, touch your toes, and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stand up. Now reach for the sky. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Touch the ceiling. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All done. And lastly, we have 2 songs today for SEL. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. We have that song in English and in Spanish, so I would love it if all my families listen to both and followed along. Have a great Tuesday.